I went to Sprouts today and I got some eggs on sale. So I decided I was going to scramble them and freeze them. And I need to figure out how many eggs I can get into each one of this. Let's scramble a few eggs. Looks like I'll be able to get one egg in each one. So I'm going to go ahead and scramble all the eggs and then I'll be back. I have pulsed 11 eggs in the blender. And now we'll see how well I can get them in here without making a mess. Pretty good so far. I have evened them all out and we have approximately 1 egg in each of these silicone cupcake molds. And we'll put this in the freezer overnight and I'll come back and show you what they look like. And we have another 2 dozen to go. Alright, so our eggs are frozen and it's time to put them in a bag. So they should be really easy to take out of the little cupcake containers. And once we are done freezing all of them, we'll come back, defrost one and cook it and see how it turns out. So that's 6 of them in that container. And I might be able to get about 8 in each bag. Let's see if we can get 8 in there. Maybe about 7. Get those in there a little better so it's easier to vacuum seal. Much better. No, it's just about dead. There we go. Found a better charging cord. That's much better. There we go. We'll do that to the rest of them. I'm going to put this back in the freezer so they don't start defrosting. And we'll be right back when we're ready for the next step. And I should mention that I will have links for all the products that I'm using, including these freezer bags. So let's continue to get the rest of the eggs into the bags and into the freezer. And we'll be right back when we're ready to cook one of the eggs. I should mention that you don't have to scramble your eggs if you do not want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get about 6 eggs and just pour them directly into these cupcake molds. And we'll go ahead and freeze them. And when we cook the sample scrambled eggs, I'll also defrost one of these eggs so we can all see what they look like. And we will also do a taster. Great. I'm going to go ahead and freeze this, and we'll be back when they are ready. So we have our fresh egg and our scrambled egg. We're going to let this defrost overnight, and then we'll cook them and do a taste test. Good morning. We have the eggs that we had previously frozen. It's the scrambled egg, and that's the one that we did not scramble. So I'm going to cook each one, and we'll see how they turn out. Alright, let me see if I can get this in there one-handed. I may have to put the camera down for a minute. Alright, I should have turned that heat up. As you can see, it's cooking just like a regular egg. I'm doing that because I do not want that portion to overcook while the rest of it doesn't. And I should have put that closer to the middle. Alright, I'll be right back when I'm ready for the next one. Alright, so that first one is now ready. Now let's get the next one. We are ready for the next egg. You can see it looks a little weird. Probably should have smooshed it before putting it in here. So that's why I like scrambling my eggs before I freeze them. Just mush it in. I'm not doing a very good job with this, but you get the general idea. We're just cooking an egg. Okay, let's flip. Oops. Yeah, I'm not doing a very good job here, but you get the idea. Alright, so I managed to flip it and just kind of give it a squeeze. And I do not like my yolk to be completely cooked, so I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. We'll start with the scrambled egg. That's good. Now let's give this a try. It's kind of hard to do this while holding the camera. Oh, I think I like the taste of this better. But they're both good. They both taste like a regular egg. And if I didn't know it, I couldn't tell that they had been frozen. Stick some white. Yeah, those are good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my breakfast, get myself a coffee, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, Tinnies.